In this video, you'll see how I made 3.23% profit in 10 minutes on 2 GBP trades. I'll move straight over to the charts now, but please remember to hit subscribe if you like these videos and you'll get the heads up as and when I post them. Okay, I just thought I'd show you these 2 trades I've got running here. I wasn't going to trade until the Canadian dollar news that comes out around about 3 o'clock London time, but there's been a release on some Brexit news, so obviously that's hit the pound and the euro. And I've managed to get 2 trades off. GU, you can see that's showing reasonable profit now, moving up nicely. And the GJ, pound Japanese yen. So I'm going to let these run. I mean, this morning I was down 3 pips. So I can lock in fact, I'll lock it in now. If I lock in a little bit on each. If I lock in 3 pips on that, and on the GU I'll lock in 2 pips, 3 pips. So I'll be up 3 pips. Worst case scenario, if these reverse round and come and hit my price stops, I'll still be up 3 pips for the day, which is not a lot, but it's still positive. But these are moving nicely, and I'm hoping to be able to push these further, see how these ride out now. Like I say, I wasn't going to trade this afternoon other than the red news event a bit later on, but because these are moving so strong, I thought I'd give them a go. Okay, I'll pause for now. And by the way, this is one of those things where this is exactly how we would trade, well, very similar to how we would trade a red news event. We see these moves, and using Price Action Traders Institute criteria, we can get in on this type of trade and take advantage of it. So I'm going to pause for now and start managing these 2 trades. I'll be back very, very soon. Well, that was quick, in and out within around about 10 minutes. Although I arrived to the party extremely late, I missed the massive part of this move here. Didn't even know it was taking place. So on the pound US dollar, I made 30 pips on that, and the pound Japanese yen, 30 pips on that as well. Both came back and hit my price stops. So that equates to, 60 pips gives me 3.23% on my capital. And like I say, that was within 10 minutes that was. So good move there on the pound, and every chance that it may continue to move throughout the New York session, throughout this afternoon. But you never know. But I'm happy with that. I managed to get back from a very small loss this morning up to a profit, like I say, of 3.23% on my capital. Okay, well, I'll finish this video now. Very quick, very short one, but it just goes to show how you can make profit very quickly when the moves are there, using criteria that we use at the Price Action Traders Institute. I'll put a link down in the description if anyone's interested in finding out about more about how we trade at the Price Action Traders Institute. And please remember, if you haven't already done so, click on subscribe and you'll get the heads up as and when I post new videos. Okay, thanks very much, and I'll be back soon.